Sukhumvit Soi 55, also known as Thonglor, is arguably the hottest neighborhood in Bangkok. Think trendy nightlife, a well-dressed upmarket crowd, and of course, high-end condos. That's why from 2010 to 2020, the average land price per square meter in Thonglor increased 2.8-fold, with an average annual growth of 11%. Thonglor, grouped in with neighboring Asok and Ekamai, is ranked number 1 in the most searched locations for buying and renting a condo in 2021. The area has a huge expat community of especially Westerners and Japanese, and most businesses in Thonglor cater to an international clientele. So it's no surprise that the typical price per square meter of attractive condos in this area ranges from 200,000 to 400,000 baht. So the first condo that I'm going to show you is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 96 square meters in size on the 23rd floor of 8 Thonglor Residence, which was completed in December of 2009. And this particular unit is on sale for 22.6 million baht. So I'm going to show you where it is on the map in Google Maps right over here. So that's so this is Thonglor Road, and 8 Thonglor, like I said, is like ground zero of all the fun of Thonglor. It's also opposite to J Avenue right over there. So there's a lot of, and there's Villa Market. It's a really upmarket import supermarket. And then there's a bunch of cafes there. And then also the Commons. It's an outdoor kind of sit-down area, really nice, as you can see here. A lot of really trendy people come hang out, and you can buy food from all around and sit and have it there. This is how it looked like. Really hop-in place at night. And then opposite it is 72 Courtyard, which is home to another outdoor kind of hangout area called Beer Belly, as you can see here. Lots of locals here. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. And then you're close to a lot of the nightlife here too. So one nightlife spot is called Beam. It's a nightclub. I'm a little bit, it used to be my favorite club, and then they kind of just like went sour, but it's still okay. And this is how the club itself looks like. This is the dance floor. Yeah, a lot of cafes in this area. So the essentials, there's also, in terms of hospitals, if you want like a cheap budget hospital, there's Chameleon Hospital right here. I recommend going here if you just want like a general cheap checkup. But if you want a actual specialist and who speaks really good English and really quality doctors, I actually recommend Samiti Wade Hospital right here. It's obviously going to be more pricey, but I really think that the quality of the physicians are really, really good, like some of the best in Bangkok. And right next to that is the Racket Club, if you're into racket sports and mountain climbing, badminton, and a gym. So that's in the area as well. Tapioca is also another great bar. Lots of Thais here, and the cocktails are pretty amazing. They have like a Thai spin to it. And so yeah, so enough of the neighborhood for now. And so this place, 8 Thonglor Residence, we're going to have a look at a 3D walkthrough of this place. All right, and so yeah, so high floor, and as you can see here from the floor plan, it's like a longer kind of layout. So all these rooms have a really good view to them. They face this high up, unobstructed view. So coming from the entrance, this would be the entrance right here. So to the left, this is okay. You have a nice large kitchen with a island right here. It comes with a laundry machine. And okay, got these Western appliances that you like, nice ventilation, electric stove top, and you've got a living room here. I wish they didn't have this partition here. It would make this area a bit more functional, but I guess that's because they want to put a TV here. Yeah, I thought so. And so you'd have a smaller dining area, I guess. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Not ideal really, but I can see what they mean. So you've got a bedroom on this side and then a master bedroom here. So let's see the guest one first. So this is the bathroom you'll be sharing with the guests. Pretty standard, rain shower, a regular shower here, 3-piece bathroom, and then a pretty, it's not that big of a bedroom with that same view as well. Let's have a look at the master. Going into the master, the bathroom has a, wow, nice, gorgeous built-in bathtub with a fantastic view. I'm sure you're gonna spend a lot of time in the bathtub with getting lost in that gorgeous scenery. And then the master bedroom is better. This is an actual comfortable size. And you've got a counter here, some bespoke fitted wardrobe. So that's what you get for 22.6 million baht. Now let's have a look at the facilities of this place. All right, so this is the rooftop pool area, a nice decently sized pool with a 180? Almost, yeah, 180 view of Thonglor area. What else can we see here? Is it just, oh, no, you can't really see it. So you've got the lobby. This is how the lobby looks like, pretty standard, nothing special. That's the pool, that's the gym. The gym doesn't look that impressive, but no worries, you're in Thonglor, there's plenty of gyms around this area. There's the playground for the kids. Okay, that's nice. And then you've got a lounge on the same floor. For some reason, they've got a punching bag here. Okay, yeah. And then so that's the first place. And then the second place I have for you is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 139 square meters in size. It's on the 3rd floor of Nivati Thonglor Soi 23, and the project was completed in 2019. And it's for sale for 34.2 million baht, and that brings the price per square meter to 246,000 baht per square meter. I forgot to mention the first one, the price per square meter on that is 236,000 baht per square meter. That's high, but that's pretty standard for this area for an attractive condo. This place is located on Thonglor Soi 23, so you're still close to all the really great locations that I told you about. So it would be at Nivati Residence, Thonglor Soi 23, right there. So you're close to attractions like the Commons, 72 Courtyard, right opposite, right here, and Thonglor Police Station if you want to file a report. I don't know. You've got a Japanese fresh wholesale market right here. So let's have a look at a 3D walkthrough of this place. Enter the full screen. Okay, so layout is a little bit more compact as opposed to the other one that's all just spread out. So we've got a living room and dining room right here. I think that's, more open air than the previous one. Bedroom, and then master. Okay, let's start from the entrance. And so that is the kitchen, which I think is pretty darn tiny for a 3-bedroom. And that's a small stovetop. Not that impressed. Really, yeah. And then there's only space for a really small-ish fridge. So I think that's not really a plus there. I wish they how would you do this? Oh, so you mean, oh, that's bizarre. So the kitchen, there's also a second kitchen area here. Odd, with an island. Yeah, that's better. I thought that was, but why is it 2 separate kitchens like that? I mean, okay, I guess, I don't know. I'm not really a chef. I don't know how you take advantage of the fact that there's 2 separate rooms to cook, but I think that's kind of inconvenient. The living room area is nice though. It's good that they didn't partition it the same way as they did with the first place. But then this place, they somehow partitioned the kitchen. Okay, weird. Nice view, although, yeah, actually, you're just seeing your neighbors. But then you've got some greenery here. So this is a furnished unit, pretty nice furnishings. Okay, you've got a proper dining area. And then, okay, this is your first bedroom here. Okay, pretty okay size. You can, I guess, convert this into an office if you don't have a kid. This seems like it's designed to be a kid's room. And then that person would be using, that person would be using, oh, they don't even have a bathroom. So this person wouldn't even have a bathroom. Oh yeah, so you'd share the bathroom with everyone else. So I guess that's just an option. Most likely, if you don't have kids, you'll turn that into a work office room. And then the first bathroom we're going to see is this bathroom here. Okay, comes with a shower. Pretty nice marble finishing here. Good contrast with the white. Nice large mirror. Okay. And then stepping into the first, this is not the master, right? Okay, the master is there. Okay. So the guest bedroom, pretty okay, good, okay size. Yeah, not too large. You're not really going to be spending your all day in the bedroom anyway. Decent, good space for a decent sized bed. Okay, let's see what view you got. Okay, well, not that impressive of a view. Whoops, let's return. Whoa, okay, it took me back to here. Okay, and so you have, this person has a, what is this, kind of like a wardrobe here. Not really a walk-in closet, but yeah, a little separate area here to get dressed. And then you've got that same pretty nice looking bathroom. And then later on towards the hallway, you have your master bedroom. Okay, not that large either. Comes with, okay, I reckon you can put your TV there. That's the idea. Okay, and then you've got a see-through bathroom with a freestanding bathtub. That's pretty nice. And I assume this is your closet area. Okay, double vanity, nice finishing. His and her sinks, it says. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, and a nice large mirror. And you've got a separate shower and a toilet stall there. Now let's have a look at the features and amenities of this condo. Starting off with the lobby on the first floor. Okay, a nice elaborate marble finished lobby. Okay, very impressive compared to the previous place. Wow, nice and large. I don't know why the whole thing is out of focus, but I guess it's taking some time to load. But okay, that's a pretty impressive lobby. The reception area right there. Yeah, okay. And then you have also have a business lounge on the first floor right after that lobby there. So is it really a business lounge? Okay, yeah, I guess you can book it and have a little meeting, or you yeah, use this for your Zoom calls or whatever. For some reason they took a picture of the elevator area. Let's look at the swimming pool. So it's on the first floor. Okay, you've got some privacy back here with this big wall up there. So yeah, okay, that's pretty decent. And another garden area. Is that really a garden area? This series of bushes here, that's a garden. Okay. What's that? That's it. Okay. And yeah, I guess that's the model of the place. All right, cool. All right, so that place for 34.2 million baht. You've got it. And then finally, we're at the last place, the most upmarket place in this video, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 111 square meters in size on the 14th floor, completed in 2019. It's called TELA Thonglor, and it's on sale for 41.2 million baht, bringing the price per square meter to 371,000 baht per square meter. So TELA Thonglor is right over here. So right on the main Thonglor Road. Actually, I should have done this in the beginning. So that would be TELA Thonglor right there. So this is Thonglor Road. And 8 Thonglor would be that white building right over there. So you're in the thick of it. Yeah, that's Thonglor Soi 10. That's like a, so Thonglor Soi 10 here, or also known as Ekamai Soi 5, is a really popular nightlife hangout. So TELA Thonglor, you're close to J Avenue, the Commons, lots of great. There's a Starbucks right next to you. Macro grocery store, and you can go to 8 Thonglor as well. There's another grocery store on the bottom floor, and then 8 Thonglor itself, the mall area, has a lot of great restaurants. So yeah, all these condos that I'm talking about are situated like right on the main, in a really ideal central area in Thonglor. So let's have a 3D walkthrough of this place. Ooh, nice. Ooh, pretty cool decor. Okay, let's zoom up. Okay, as you can see, you've got a really gorgeous balcony for you, and then nice kitchen, entrance, bathroom, master. Okay, cool. So this looks like a pretty decent layout. Coming into your private elevator entrance. Ooh, I like the furnishing. Has this modern, like colorful, bold feel to it, yet still kind of not too obnoxious. So that's nice. You've got a small-ish dining table here. See what the kitchen looks like. Okay, pretty nice, decent-sized kitchen, and I assume that's storage down there. You've got an oven, washing machine, and yeah, electric hob. Okay, I guess that's what they call it, hob. And yeah, so the living room area, really nice, decent size. Yeah, this is a pretty good size for you and entertain your guests. You can have a penthouse party here. And let's have a look at that great view. Wow, that's a really nice view from the balcony, which connects to the master bedroom. So we'll actually, nice. So we'll enter the master bedroom from the balcony. Boom, nice. Yeah, pretty okay size. Yeah, and then you've got a see-through bathroom there with a bathtub, double vanities. The finishings are not as luxurious as the second one. Yeah, a bit small. Got like a walk-in closet here. And then this is your other bedroom. Okay. Yeah, a bit small with not much of a view there. And this person would be using this bathroom here, which is pretty okay. Yeah, the finishings of this place, little bit bare. The decor is okay. The view is fantastic. The balcony is amazing. You're really paying for that view, and the fact that you're located right on Thonglor. I mean, a lot of these places, the reason why the prices are this high is literally you're paying for the neighborhood. Like I said, this is like an aspirational neighborhood for Thais and expats. Thonglor, like, it's filled with a lot of life, and people who live in other neighborhoods in Bangkok come to Thonglor during the weekend. Central lifestyle district. This is where people get together. Let's have a look at the amenities. Okay. So this would be the pool on the rooftop area, all right? And then you have a, okay, pretty luxurious looking gym there. Can you see into it? Nope, this is all they took of it. So you've got your pool, you got some seating to lounge around, and you've got a gym there with a view. And wow, okay, that's it. That's all they took of the place. But I'm assuming there's like spas, saunas, and all like that. And there you have it. Now check out this video that just popped up to see me tour 5 massive penthouses in Bangkok, all priced under $1 million. See you there.